Hi student, in this class I am going to teach 8th standard physics lesson number 4, heat, transfer of heat. Generally we know very well heat does not stay in a place. The hotter things getting colder, colder things getting hot. So heat can transfer from one place to another place till the temperature becomes to equal. The heat can transfer from one place, that is higher temperature region, to another place lower temperature region. Temperature of both bodies becomes to equal. The heat transfer takes place in three ways: conduction, convection, radiation. Heat transfer in solid by the process of conduction. Heat transfer in liquid and gases by the process of convection. Heat transfer in vacuum or empty space by the process of radiation. First, generally, substance. Substance means solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid, gas made up of atoms or molecules. In solids, atoms are tightly packed. Example: silver, iron, aluminum, zinc is a solid form. It's a metal. Atoms are tightly packed. In between one atom to another atom there is no gap, so tightly packed. The atoms does not move freely. This is called solid. Then liquid. Atoms are loosely packed. That is called liquid. Gas. Atoms are very loosely packed. First one is conduction. So generally in metals, atoms are tightly packed. They do not move. Atoms are tightly packed. They move. The atoms does not move. So the metal is heated with help of burner. The metal receives the heat energy from the burner. So first level of the atoms gets heated and start vibrate. So these atoms absorbs heat completely, start vibrate. It makes them to start vibrate another level of the atom. So again this atoms completely gets the heat, it makes them start vibrate another level of the atom. So like that atoms vibrate continuously from one end to another end, from higher region to lower region. Heat can travel from one end to another end. So these atoms get heat energy till the atom start vibrate, till the heat energy is received from the burner is vibrate. So heat can travel from one end to another end due to vibration of atoms. Atoms does not move from one end to another end. So here atoms vibrate. So vibration of atoms, heat energy is transferred from one end to another end is called conduction. For example, we iron the dress with help of iron box. Iron box is a metal. So the dress cotton, the dress absorbs heat from the iron. So inside the iron heat is transferred by the conduction process. In a house we are using cooking vessels made up of metal. So cook the food with help of metal vessels, the heat is transferred from burner to metal in food. So this is conduction process. One more example. Take a metal spoon, is placed on the burner. The metal spoon gets heat from the burner. So we touch the metal spoon on the top, we feel hot. So heat is transferred from burner lower end of the spoon to upper end of the spoon. Another example, take a tumbler, pour the hot water inside the tumbler, take a metal spoon, place the one end of the metal spoon inside the hot water, we touch the metal spoon another end, we feel hot. So in this example, heat energy is transferred from hot water, that is inside the hot water molecules are vibrate. Due to vibration of molecules in hot water makes them to start vibrate in the metal spoon atoms. So heat energy transferred through vibration. So transfer of energy in solids from higher temperature to lower temperature due to vibration of atoms or molecule, not for movement of molecules, is called conduction. Second method is convection. So take one beaker, pour the water inside the beaker, heat the beaker with help of burner. So first, top of the water is cool, bottom of the water hot, because the bottom of the water molecules receives the heat energy from the burner, so its density is less, it becomes lighter. At the same time, top of the water molecules density is more, is comes down. The less density water molecules, hot water molecules moves up. So this process is continuous till the water molecules gain heat energy. So like that, air also. In air balloon, we are moving sky. Inside the air balloon, water molecules is present. In bottom of the air balloon, some hot source is placed, that is burner. So the burner emits the heat near the burner, that is bottom of the balloon, near the burner. Air molecules get heat at density less, the air comes lighter. So top of the balloon, air molecules density high, it comes down, it replaces the hot air, lighter air molecule moves up. So air balloon moves upward direction. So movement of molecules in liquid and gas. So heat can transfer from one place to another place, from higher temperature to lower temperature. So convection is the process of heat transferred through liquid and gas due to movement of molecules, is called convection process. So in our daily life, we used air balloon, parachute, then chimneys. Chimneys means the chimneys are kept in a kitchen near the ceiling, because inside the kitchen hot air density less is rises up, it goes out through the chimney. On the same time, cool air density high, it comes down through the window. Then formation of wind. Air flows from higher pressure to lower pressure. The warm air molecules lighter, it moves up, and that particular place created low pressure. The air moves high pressure to low pressure. This is called wind flow. Then formation of sea breeze, land breeze. In daytime, air contact on the land is hot. Above the sea, air cool. So the land hot air rises up. It moves towards the sea. The cool air comes down through the land. So cool air coming from the sea to the earth, that is land, it rises, it replaces the hot air from the land to sea. This is called sea breeze. In night time, near the land, the air cool. On the surface of the sea, air hot. So near the land, cool air moves towards the sea. It replaces the hot air. So this is called land breeze. In convection process, heat energy is transferred from one place to another place that require medium. But in radiation, heat can travel from one place to another place, does not require any medium. So without help of medium, heat can travel from one place to another place is called radiation. Example, sun emits the heat, it reaches the earth. So in between does not require any medium. So without help of any medium, sun heat can transfer from sun to the earth is called radiation. So heat can travel through empty space or vacuum is called radiation.